Hi guys! So for today's video, really exciting because I'm going to do a holiday makeup. But what makes it more exciting is i-review ko din yung very trending, really hyped Flower Nose makeup. And I'm really lucky you guys kasi Flower Nose sent a couple of their products. So thank you so much Flower Nose Makeup for sending these. By the way, Flower Nose Makeup is a Chinese brand and they are quite unique kasi all of their designs, all of their makeup is based on fairy tale, dreamlike, princess and queens, intricate and delicate designs. And with that kind of packaging plus the performance, asahan mo na, this is not going to be an affordable product. So what I have is a combination of Swan Ballet series and Strawberry Rococo series. I'm super duper excited, so without further ado, let's start. So first thing I want to do is I want to swatch the lip products they sent para alam ko kung anong klaseng eyeshadow yung gagawin ko. So the first one is Flower Nose Swan Ballet series Shine Lipstick, and I have the shade B01 Little Star. Really beautiful packaging, you guys. Also, I'll be using this mirror right here. They also sent me a really beautiful mirror with intricate strawberry design. This is from the Strawberry Rococo series. By the way, I don't have anything on my face yet. This smells so sweet. Oh wow, it is really shiny, you guys. It's like a lip gloss pero like lipstick. At itong B01 Little Star, it's like a peachy strawberry color. It's really nice. Pero kita pa rin naman yung color ng lips ko talaga. Pero like ang opacity nito is around probably 70%. It's really nice. Really shiny. Ganda. Like para ako naka-lip gloss but you know, lipstick. Pero alam mo, this reminded me of yung Maybelline, like parang lip shine din. Lustrous, something like that, pero it was discontinued already. Parang ganito yung peg niya. I like it. Next one that I got is the Flower Nose Strawberry Rococo series Cloud Lip Cream, and I have it in a shade Tiny Tulip. So yung packaging nito was inspired from a vintage perfume bottle. Amoy sweet na parang amoy pabango din. Oh, this one is matte. And this lip cream daw is silky smooth matte finish, hides the wrinkles, and para siyang merong filter-like finish, light and soft and comfortable. And honestly, parang kita ko naman yung mga promises niya. It's light, definitely, and it's soft, and it's cloud-like. Ngayon, dun sa parang may filter finish, parang meron nga sa malayuan. Sa malayuan, hindi makikita yung lines ng lips mo. Pero of course, sa malapitan, nandyan pa rin naman siya because, you know, that's reality. Pero yeah, na-deliver naman yung lahat ng promise niya. It's comfortable, it's lightweight, and para siyang merong filter blurring-ish effect. Oh! Oh! Well, it's not 100% transfer proof. Meron pa rin namang, you know, nakuhang a little bit of shade. It's very similar from my previous video. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. It's a different Chinese makeup brand, but very similar. Now, ang negative lang para sa akin dito is yung delivery ng product sa applicator. Hindi ganun kabongga. So, makakailang dip ka bago talaga ma-fill yung lips mo. So, it's going to take a little bit of your time. Lalo na to fill your entire lips. Kung gusto mo na full pack color. Pero if you just want like a hint of color, di ganun ka lang, and then you pucker it, no problem. Pero for me kasi, every time I use a lip cream, I use it in full pack color. So medyo natagalan lang ako. Kasi nga, yung deposit ng product dun sa doe foot applicator is onte. So hindi mo na ako magbe-base. I'm going to do my eyes first. And the first product I want to show you guys is the 5-color eyeshadow palette. And this is from the Strawberry Rococo series. And they have a couple of shades, pero I have the 04 Champs Misty Rose. And ang ganda din ng intricate design, you guys. Really princess-like. So, ang inspiration and packaging ng Strawberry Rococo eyeshadow palette is a vintage jewel box design. So, here is the swatch of the palette, you guys. So, we have a bright powder, a silvery eyeshadow, a muted light pink, a muted pink, and a powdery blue. So, maglalagay lang ako ng foundation muna sa eyelids that will serve as, you know, my base. So, I'm going to take this shade, and yun ang aking magiging transition shade. The eyeshadow itself has a buttery, smooth feel, pero very easy to blend naman siya. And then I'm going to take the pink one, and I'm going to add it to crease. I don't think I'll be able to use the blue eyeshadow. Kasi parang ang peg natin ngayon, as you can tell from my hair, pink. Now guys, I want to use the silvery eyeshadow. Kaya lang, meron pa kasi akong isa pang eyeshadow na nakuha. It's this one right here. This is from the Swan Ballet series, yung liquid eyeshadow. They have 5 shades, but what I got is 04 Perfect Blossom, and it's a silvery, shiny, shimmering, glittery, splendid. Oh wow, you guys. At first, I thought it's just going to be like silvery, pero somehow nag-adjust siya dun sa eyeshadow. Para na rin siyang pinky glittery. So I'm just going to put eyeliner and mascara, then I'll be back. Meron na akong konting foundation. Next product I'm going to show you guys is an eyeliner. And hindi siya black eyeliner, take note. This is the Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid Series eyeliner. And I have it in the shade 03 Pink. Yun, ang ilalagay ko sa under eyes to achieve that Douyin effect. Kasi diba, they love putting glitters sa under eyes nila. Actually, it's just very subtle and wet look. Hindi siya parang overwhelming glitter. It's just a wet look effect. Next thing I'm going to feature, guys, is the blush. And oh my god, this is from the Strawberry Rococo series. And this is an embossed blush. And I have it in the shade 05 Berry Mary. Now guys, they also sent me a stippling brush from the Strawberry Rococo series. This is a stippling brush, a very, very beautiful, intricate stippling brush. Pero gamitin na natin siya as a blush brush. Diba, you guys, nakakaloka ang design. Parang ayoko tuloy siya mapagpod, pero we have to use it. Bango. Amoy rose. It has a matte finish. I love the stippling brush. Ang lambot-lambot din niya. Okay, tayo dito. And a little bit sa chin. I love the blush. Diba? Ang subtle lang niya. Okay, so let me do my contour muna, guys, before we go to the last 2 steps. So bago tayo mag-lip shook, let's go muna sa setting powder. The setting powder that I have is from the Swan Ballet series. And as you can see sa design, meron siyang ballet shoes sa gitna. And this is the Music Box Loose Setting Powder. I have mine in the shade 01 Pearl Snow, which is parang ma-pinky-ish. Medyo mahirap gamitan yung puff. Feeling ko I'm going to use a different fluffy brush to set my face. It has a mesh nga pala. I don't know if you can see. Tataktak na lang ako. Subukan natin. Pag ganito. Okay, may na-pick up naman. Hindi, itataktak ko talaga siya. Yan lang kinaya ko. It smells so good. It smells like flowers. Sige na nga, gamitin natin yung puff. It will definitely mattify your face. Ayoko ng mattification. Nawala tuloy yung eyeliner ko sa baba. I will refill it. Now for the lips, obviously, sa peg ng makeup natin, we are gonna go for the lip cream. Ganda rin niya pag ganito, oh. Parang powdery finish lang, no? Pero I need to put another layer sa bottom to have this gradient effect. So this is the finished look. Now time for my final thoughts. Okay, so first and foremost, you guys, I would like to say na yung price point ng mga products nito is 500 pesos and above. And nasa 1,000 range as well. But hear me out, okay? If you're into like fairy tales, dreamy, fantasy, Disney princess, Barbie, Hello Kitty, if you're into those, then Flower Nose makeup is for you. Kasi sa itsura pa lang niya, you know, collectible item na siya. This is the Shine lipstick, and this is 1,060 currently. Habang film ko to. And this one is the lip cream, and this is 1,050. Yes, mahal sila pareho. Personally, mahal sila para sa akin. Pero ang ganda-ganda kasi ng finish nito. Para kang naka-lip gloss, pero very light and lipstick format. At itong lip cream, kita nyo naman, powdery finish, para siyang may filter. Sa malayo, parang walang linya yung lips mo. And at the same time, minimal, very minimal transfer. Meron pa rin naman, nakikita nyo naman, diba? So, kung may budget ka and you really like princess fairy things, then sige, go for this one. Pwede to pang regalo, guys. Ito palang pang regalo na. Kaya lang, ito, pang regalo. Pero, yung box that came with it, eme. I mean, yeah, may design siya, pero hindi siya ganun ka ma-impact for me. If you're going to buy this pang regalo, bumili ka ng, you know, a separate, probably a mesh bag or something like that. Pero I know another lip cream na mas mura, pero katulad dito na less transfer. In my previous video, I'm going to link it down below. Mas mura siya. Kaya lang, this one is, para sa akin personally, mas comfortable, mas lightweight than that one. Pero mas mura yon. Pero ang ganda rin nun. So, you check it out then. This retails for 1,000, I do believe 1,420. Yung eyeshadow itself, maganda yung eyeshadow. It's buttery and it's really easy to blend. But I feel like you can achieve this eyeshadow look sa mas affordable na price. Pero again, really smooth yung application, ang daling gamitin. And yun nga, napakaganda ng design. If you're into collectible eyeshadows, sige, go for it. Pero if you're into yung gamit talaga, babarudagulin mo every now and then, I wouldn't recommend this because, you know, you can get this look for, you know, mas affordable. Again, ang binayaran mo, majority of the price goes to the packaging and how beautiful it is. Now, the liquid eyeshadow, this one retails for $729 if I'm not mistaken, and they come in other shades as well. Honestly, wala pa ako na-encounter na liquid eyeshadow that could give me this effect. So I think I would recommend that you try this, lalo na if you're into, you know, really glittery, fantasy-like eyeshadow. Now, for the eyeliner, this retails for 780 pesos. It is quite expensive for an eyeliner, you guys. Kaya lang, dahil yung finish niya sa aking eye bags, I might recommend it to you guys. Kasi it gives me a wet look sa malayo. Parang may wet look. Pero syempre sa malapit, para lang ako naglagay ng shiny shimmering eyeshadow. Kaya lang kasi ang hirap i-achieve yung ganitong wet look with just, you know, the typical shiny shimmering eyeshadow. So, dahil first time ko naka-encounter ng ganito, very easy to apply na liquid eyeshadow, although it's a liquid eyeliner. I was really impressed. And this is not the first time na ginamit ko to. I already used this like a couple of times na days before. And ginagamit ko siya without any makeup on. Parang meron lang akong wet look sa under eyes. So parang ang cute-cute ko. Kaya I like this, kahit ang mahal niya. Now, let's move on sa blush. 1,150. Ang ganda ng packaging, ang ganda ng blush itself. It's going to give you a matte finish, really smooth, madaling i-blend. So I feel like justifiable naman yung 1,150. Again, maganda rin siyang collectible item or maganda rin siyang pangregalo. Will I buy more shades? Dahil hindi naman ako mahilig sa ganitong mga design. At dahil matipid ako, no. This setting powder, this retails for 1,538 or 540. First of all, magaan siya for what it looks like. When I saw the photo, I thought it's going to be like, you know, heavy. Ito kasi medyo may weight siya. And mas magaan pa to. Pag titingnan mo, parang akala mo it's going to be really heavy, but it's not. So, for the price na 1,500, yun talaga pinagbasihan, yung bigat. Hindi kasi totoo, diba? Kasi kung magaan siya, tas ganito yung tsura niya, so para lang siyang, you know, plastic fake. Pero kung mabigat siya, so para siyang may metal or something like that. I mean, may weight naman siya, pero I was expecting it to be a little bit heavier pa. Pero when it comes to the performance, it's going to give you a matte finish na parang merong airbrush effect, blurring effect. Meron din naman kasi mga powders sa local market na could give you this look, yung very slight blurring effect. Hindi siya sulit for me, the 1,500. Tsaka ang hirap niyang gamitin dahil kailangan yung puff. Kailangan i-press mo ng ganon. So if you're going to use a brush, kailangan taktakin mo, pero it's going to take forever kasi nga mesh yung nandito. So ang tagal mo magtataktak, tapos lumilipad pa siya all over. So I'm sorry, this is not my favorite product. At dahil hindi ko siya favorite, hindi ko siya recommend. What else? I think I covered everything. If you have the budget, I do recommend yung flower nose. Lalo na if you're into collecting fairy tale items, dreamy-like, intricate designs items. Pero kung performance or utility, yung purpose mo, medyo mahal siya. Medyo feeling ko hindi ito yung magiging peg mo. Pero personally speaking, medyo mabigat ang loob ko pag bibili ako ng products kasi medyo mahal. So, you know, case-to-case basis will all depend on your preference. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas! Happy holidays, and advance Happy New Year na rin. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!